I've been telling everybody that this is my real hair, and it is because I bought it. So let's talk initial thoughts of these LBL extensions. This is part 3 of me testing out curly hair for the summer. If you're new here, I bought this hair with my own money. I am not a hair professional. I am just a very inquisitive consumer that likes to conduct her own research. I bought 3 bundles of the Cocoa Curly in lengths 16, 18, and 20. Altogether, this came to a little under $400. So this is an investment. That's why I'm doing such a thorough review. I have a little under 2 bundles installed. I'm used to wearing 3 bundles, so I bought 3 bundles, but everybody on TikTok said you only need 1.5 bundles. But we ended up installing the 20-inch first. Then we wet that down, put some mousse on it to see how it looked in its wet state. And we saw like how big it was, dry and still wet. We decided, okay, we are only going to do the 2 bundles. So we did 20 on the bottom, 18 on top, and then this is how much we have left of the 18. So we had a little more than half of the 18-inch bundle. And as you can see, I didn't even install the last bundle. This is the 16-inch. This hasn't even been opened. I also thought that I was gonna have to like have her cut it into the curly cut that I was looking for, but layering the bundles gave me the exact look that I was looking for. At this point, I've had the hair installed for about 2 weeks. I have not noticed any tangling, no matting, but this hair mimics type 4 hair exactly. So this is a learning curve. One of the other things that I tested in the last video when I co-washed the hair is if the hair still holds its curl pattern, even after you've washed it and manipulated it a bit. At this point, I just started rambling, but basically I haven't noticed any tangling or matting. The hair mimics type 4 exactly, and yes, it does hold its curl pattern. I haven't noticed any changes since the first day that I co-washed it. This is what it looked like when we drenched it with the continuous spray bottle and added just the Do's Mousse Depth. Then eventually I did end up washing my hair and defining the curls using both of the recommended products, including the pattern curl gel. And once it dries, this is what the curls look like, defined and undefined. Overall, I am thoroughly pleased with these extensions. The only issue that I'm having is more so user error and trying to figure out how to keep type 4 curls defined. This is an issue that I had when I first went natural at the beginning of the year. Regardless of if we're talking about LBL extensions or my own natural hair, I usually only see 1 to 2 days of curl definition. If I see longer, I'm using a product that works, but I see flaking. So if you are a type 4 girly, please help me out in the comments below. I'll be back with a 1-month update, a 2-month update, and I'll be checking in with you throughout the summer to keep you updated on how I maintain the hair in this hot, humid Houston weather. So if you want to keep up to date on that, make sure you like and follow for more, and I will see y'all in the next video.